Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, as you already know that I did little experiment with hair in my last portrait. So, this video is about white hair. I'll show you the method which I used to draw hair in my last sketch. So keep watching this video till the end. My name is Bharat and you are watching my channel. So let's get started. I'm not showing you the reference pic. I will just show you the technique. So as you can see, I already drawn outlines. For this method, you will need a sharp object like an empty pen, you can also use the tip of the mechanical pencil. Also, you can use the tip of the Tombow Mono Zero eraser. I will use this Tombow square tip eraser because of its sharp edge. So by using sharp edge, make strokes on paper randomly. Use a thick paper for this trick because in thin paper this trick will not work well and also you can tear your paper. So like this, slowly make strokes randomly on the place where you want white hair. Now use a hard charcoal pencil and slowly make the facial hair area dark with light pressure. Then use a medium charcoal pencil and make more dark hair according to the light on the face with very light pressure. You can also use graphite pencil. I like to use charcoal because with charcoal I can do my work faster than the graphite. Again, use a soft charcoal pencil and make the area more dark where light doesn't reach normally. Use light pressure. Then take a blending stump and blend the starting point of the hair to make it look more realistic. Blend the area where hair meets the skin. Then take a hard charcoal pencil to draw outside extra hair. So like this, you can draw white hair. You can try the same method for eyebrows and hair. I will also keep doing different experiments and bring more helpful videos for you. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then make sure to give a thumbs up. Also, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, then please do subscribe. So keep drawing, keep practicing. तब तक के लिए goodbye, जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम.